assignment has you using primary sources. What are primary sources and how do they differ from secondary sources? Primary sources are a direct account of something. Examples include speeches, photos, letters, some newspaper stories, diaries or personal journals, paintings, plays, songs, autobiographies or memoirs, sometimes social media, raw data, trial results, interviews, lab notes, observations, and patents. Secondary sources are a direct reaction to a primary source. Examples include magazines, journals, textbooks, most books, some newspaper stories, commentaries or criticisms, essays, reviews, and any analysis of other previously created works, such as data, information, ideas, surveys, experiments, and trial results. Primary sources are harder to find than most other sources. If you need help, please check out Book a Librarian.